Good morning, everyone. Today is going to be a lot like what you did 2 days ago and last Thursday. You're building a body paragraph. This time it is your third reason paragraph. So what you're going to need to have open is yesterday's work with reason 3, of course, your central claim, and 3 pieces of evidence that support this third reason. You're going to be combining your claim and reason 3 to build your topic sentence, first of all. It can start with the transition phrase, a third reason that whatever your claim is that whatever your reason is. So that's going to be your topic sentence of your paragraph. Then you're going to paste over evidence A from here, as well as your in-text citation. Analyze it. Don't forget to analyze each piece of evidence. You can start it with one of these phrases, but basically it's explaining the point of the evidence you just put in. This proves that. This means that. Okay? Do the same for evidence B and evidence C. Again, take it right from what you did yesterday. It's all in support of your third reason and your claim. When you're finished, please don't forget step 3. Step 3 is to copy and paste it all down here to form your paragraph. That's where you can listen and see if you need to add in any transition words or phrases to help make the paragraph make more sense. Great job, everyone. I can't wait to read your third body paragraph. You're almost there.